Hi, today for the new Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open notification panel, and if you wanna add here some options or remove some of these options or just to change their positions, you should first click here to this plus icon. After that, you'll see here this subsection with all of the invisible icons and options. Just to add them to your panel, you should hold the icon and just drag it to this down section. To remove some of them by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to the up. To change the positions of the icons, you should hold and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Then just tap to done to save the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.